In this video, we're looking into Neweex Backpack. At Gear Orbit, we love bringing people with the latest, greatest gear and reviewing them just like this one. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to see more content like this and never miss an update. A well-built, easy carry, and well-organized backpack which ensures comfort, class, and portability all in one packaged. Okay, let's jump right into the 26-liter Neweex travel backpack. The Neweex Backpack has been designed to support your carriage even better with 6 custom cushions that align properly to give your neck and shoulders a perfect support. Your back is not left out, as the cushions also provide support for it. The latest shoulder strap design ensures a flexible fix around your shoulders, which ensures your bag is held very closely and securely, and yet leaves you with a comfortable hug around your shoulders. Now, you don't need to sweat if your phone is running low and you're on the go. Simply reach back and plug in your phone to boost power while on the move. You can now keep your hands free to do other things without having to push your smartphone into your pocket. Neweex's Smart Strap suction cup design allows you to sit your phone comfortably and securely. Walking at night and need some extra illumination? The reflective safety lines got you covered. Easy access key holder keeps your keys secure. Neweex also has designed a smart security lock, which gives you complete ownership of your bag. You need not worry about someone getting access to your stuff without permission. All you need to do is set up your lock, and you're in charge. With the new Neweex Backpack, you never have to be scared of getting drenched in the rain anymore. The bag is made up of water-resistant material and also has an extra layer of protective material against rainfall. Your gadgets and documents are always going to be kept as dry and safe as possible. With Neweex Backpack, everything has its place. Now you don't have to burden yourself by carrying multiple bags to hold your stuff. Organize by using Neweex Tech and Toiletries bag. The Neweex bag design ensures multiple pockets around, which can keep books, iPad, laptop, field notes, cards, your accessories, and even your phone. Secured with closed straps, the pockets give you an extra security for your gadgets. For ease of organization, simply open the complete bag. Also incorporated into the Neweex design are the durable YKK zippers and fabrics to ensure a seamless experience. Get rid of the irritating scene of your zippers getting caught on a stray fabric or the zippers getting out of alignment. Build quality, 4.5. Look and feel, 4.2. Ease to carry, 4.1. Weight, 4. Price, 4.2. Gear Orbit rating system, we give Neweex Backpack overall 4.2. At Gear Orbit, we love talking about the latest and greatest gears to the world. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to see more content like this and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.